does community and social health manifest in Hinduism? In Hinduism, community and social health are essential aspects of religious practice and ethical living. The concept of community, known as Sangha, emphasizes the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of fostering harmonious relationships. Social health, or Samaj Kalyan, is equally significant, promoting the well-being of individuals and the collective. The Hindu scriptures, such as the Vedas and the Upanishads, emphasize the importance of community and social health. The Vedas, considered the oldest texts of Hinduism, describe the universe as a manifestation of Brahman, the ultimate reality. This interconnectedness extends to all living beings, including humans, animals, plants, and the natural world. The Upanishads further develop the concept of community by introducing the idea of Atman, or the individual soul. Atman is seen as a part of Brahman, and therefore, all individuals are interconnected at the deepest level. This understanding fosters a sense of unity and belonging within the community. One of the key principles of Hinduism is dharma, which encompasses righteous conduct, ethical living, and social responsibility. Dharma guides individuals in their actions and relationships, emphasizing the importance of living in harmony with others and contributing to the well-being of society. Hindus uphold the principles of ahimsa, non-violence, satya, truthfulness, asteya, non-stealing, brahmacharya, celibacy or moderation, and aparigraha, non-possessiveness. These principles promote ethical behavior, compassion, and respect for all living beings. By adhering to these principles, individuals contribute to a more just and harmonious society. The concept of karma, or the law of cause and effect, plays a significant role in shaping Hindu attitudes towards community and social health. Karma teaches that every action, thought, and word has consequences, both in this life and future lives. This understanding encourages individuals to engage in virtuous actions that benefit themselves and others, recognizing that their choices have a ripple effect on the collective. In addition to individual actions, Hinduism also emphasizes the importance of collective responsibility for community and social well-being. The concept of seva, or selfless service, is deeply ingrained in Hindu culture. Seva encourages individuals to engage in acts of kindness, charity, and volunteerism, contributing to the welfare of the community. Various organizations and initiatives within the Hindu community focus on addressing social health issues. These organizations provide resources, services, and educational programs aimed at promoting healthcare, education, environmental protection, and community development. By actively participating in these initiatives, Hindus contribute to improving the social fabric of their communities. In summary, community and social health hold a central place in Hinduism. The interconnectedness of all beings, as emphasized by the concept of Sangha, fosters a sense of unity and belonging. Dharma guides individuals in ethical living and social responsibility, promoting harmonious relationships and a just society. Karma encourages virtuous actions, recognizing the impact of choices on both the individual and the collective. Seva inculcates the spirit of selfless service, motivating individuals to contribute to the well-being of their communities. Through these principles and practices, Hindus strive to create a socially cohesive and healthy society.